Workplace diversity at Pronto Island Wide Courier Service. Have you ever thought about the people behind the delivery service that have become a core part of our daily lives? There are people of different ages, from different backgrounds, with different abilities. This presentation critically examines, analyzes, and evaluates workplace diversity within Pronto Island Wide Courier Service, a leading private sector organization in Sri Lanka.
Understanding workplace diversity. What is diversity? Simply put, diversity is a range of different things or people. In a business context, this means the differences that exist between individuals working in an organization. Types of diversity. Surface level diversity. There are easily observable characteristics like age, gender, and race. At Pronto Island Wide Courier Service, this is seen in their young riders and mix of ethnicities within the office staff. Deep level diversity. These are the aspects that are harder to see at first glance, such as a person's value, personality, and work preferences. For example, some employees might be highly ambitious, while others might prioritize a healthy work-life balance. The importance of diversity at Pronto. In today's business world, diversity is incredibly important. It produces the organization with the widest pool of skills, abilities, and ideas. For a customer-facing company like Pronto Island Wide Courier Service, having a diverse workforce is crucial for understanding and serving their equally diverse customer base.
Diversity analysis at Pronto. Age. The rider fleet is predominantly young, mostly between 18 and 13 years old, while the management and office staff consist of more experienced middle-aged employees. Gender. The rider fleet is almost exclusively male. However, office departments like HR and customer service have a much higher representation of women. Ethnicity and religion. As a Sri Lankan company, the workforce is components of Sinhala, Tamil, and Muslim employees.
Education and ability. Riders generally have O-level or A-level qualification, while office staff and management are graduate or hold professional qualification. This selection can be seen as a form of fair discrimination where candidates are chosen based on qualification that match their job needs. This ensures a high ability job fit, which is crucial for employee performance.
Challenges in managing diversity. Unfair discrimination and stereotyping. A major challenge is the potential for mockery and insult based on negative stereotypes. For instance, that older workers are slow or younger workers are irresponsible. This directly harms productivity. Exclusion and cliques. Employees might form groups based on surface level similarities like age or ethnicity, leading to the exclusion of certain people from social events, discussion, etc. This fosters an ethnicity, us versus them culture. Communication barriers. Ineffective diversity management can lead to miscommunication, misunderstanding, and conflicts. For a service like Pronto, clear communication between riders, hubs, and customers is vital.
Strategies for enhancing diversity. Implement an EDI policy and train. The company should establish a clear equity, diversity, and inclusion policy and train all staff to ensure the fair treatment of all people. Foster deep level connection. Organize team building activities that cut across departments to help employees find common ground in their values and attitudes, making them give less concern about surface level diversity. Leverage diversity as a business advantage. The company should actively teach how a diversity workforce enabled to serve a diverse market of customer and client. For example, having guides who speak different language is a huge asset and a clear business advantage.
Workplace diversity at Ponto Island White Courier Service is a double-edged sword. Its present creates challenges, but with the right management strategies, those challenges can be overcome. By implement proactive strategies that focus on inclusion and fairness, the company can harness the positive power of its diverse workforce to improve organizational performance and deliver an even better service to its customers.
Embrace diversity for success. By implementing proactive strategies focusing on inclusion and fairness, Pronto Island-wide courier service can harness the positive power of its diverse workforce to deliver exceptional service and improve organizational performance.